Hello everybody and welcome back. We are going to learn how to draw something for the month of ER. And in the month of ER we celebrate a holiday called Lag Baomer. And Lag Baomer we are supposed to celebrate around a campfire. So we are going to learn how to draw a campfire so you can put it underneath the month of ER on your big circle, okay? So let's start with picking colors because that's really what's important to show the flames of the fire. So I'm going to start with my practice sheet and I'm going to choose the colors that I need for a fire. And I want you to tell me, does anyone know what they are? I'm sure you do. These are the colors that we would need for the flame. Yellow, orange, and red. So if you only have one or two of them, that's fine. If you only have yellow and orange, you can use that. If you have red and yellow, you can use that. Get red and orange or all three. Then we need brown and black for the wood. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the wood. And I'm going to show you how. And I'm going to start with my brown. And what I do is I draw a line. And then I take my line and I make it thicker and I go like this. See how I made it thicker? I made that thin line. So now it looks like a piece of wood going one way on an angle. Try and make it on an angle. Then I'm going to make like a plus sign and I'm going to do it the other way too. I like to turn my paper around. It's easier for me to show you. And now I'm going to take and draw another line, but also like not right through it in the middle. I'm going to go on the side to make it look like it's going across like a campfire. And then I fill that in. And you see how it's done sideways. So if you want to practice going like this and that first, you can. You can practice that first. Okay? It's not like this. You're not making a plus sign. You're making like a long X. Okay? Two lines that are close together that look like that. Okay? So now let's focus on this part here. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to draw my flame. And I know with a flame, I know that it's more yellow on the bottom. And then it kind of gets orange and red. So I'm going to start with like one flame. And it's going to kind of be like a circle-y oval, like that, if you can see. And then I'm going to do another flame. It's a little bit smaller, a circle-y oval. And another one here, kind of pointier at the top. And that's fine. Now what I want to do is I'm going to actually fill in the bottom here. See how I'm filling around the wood even? I'm filling around the wood yellow, because that's where it's really, the flame is yellow. I think that's even the hottest. Then we're going to use what color next? Orange if we have it. If you don't, you can do that. And I want to make it like the flame is getting higher and it's getting closer to red. So I'm kind of mixing it a little bit with the orange on the bottom here. And that's fine. And now I'm going to add my red. And here we go. And I'm going to kind of make it a little pointy like a flame and mix it into the orange a little bit. And over here it's going to be a little higher. I'm going to mix it into the orange here and the same thing here. And this is how, and if we want to kind of make them like that and make it a little bit more flamey, like kind of just doing triangle points, we can do that too. And that is how we start. Now, if we want to add a little bit of detail to our wood, we can take a black marker. Remember how we did dashes and dots? Well, we're going to just do some dashes in the wood to give it a little bit of something we call texture. Okay? And there you go. That is what you're going to do on your section of your paper, the triangle that says the month of ER. And good luck with that, everybody. Have fun.